Hey, everyone. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the RAM 1500 classic fuses and fuse box location. Fuses. Fuse element. Blade fuse with a good functional fuse element. Blade fuse with a bad not functional fuse element, blown fuse. Underhood power distribution center. Internal power distribution center. Locate and remove the two screws from the lower portion of the fuse panel cover. After removing the screws, gently pull both the left and right sides of the fuse panel cover to release the fastener clips. Reverse the procedure to reinstall the fuse panel cover. Internal fuse chart. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.